How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. I'm out here, my good friend.
Hello.
Vang. You guys seen him in have you been in my videos before? I can't remember.
No, I don't think you uploaded the one that I was in it.
Oh, okay, yeah, because that was a secret mission. We caught a bunch of fish, but can't tell anybody yet. We are back out here fishing for some white bass. The bite is on. It's still pretty chilly out. It's cloudy. The water's still cool, so the white bass are moving up to spawn, and we hope they stay this way for another week or two. But the water level is dropping really fast, so we gotta act fast, stop talking, you know, get out there and fish. But with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed that last video. It was a search. It was 3 weeks of work, and we finally found them. Basically, we're targeting laydowns, broken trees, right, weeds and stuff like that they can spawn on and hide out and ambush smaller fish out here. So yeah, today we're gonna do something a little different because my buddy's not that good at like throwing plastics. We bought some live bait. Okay, we got some minnows out. That's the goal. About 3 dozen. We're gonna float and we're gonna catch some you know, white bass with that. Hopefully it works. It should work. White bass love bait fish like minnows and shiners and stuff. So I'm gonna quit talking, rig up, and I'll see you guys on this beautiful, majestic, isolated, peaceful area that I grew up fishing. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys. Let's do this. See if I catch a white bass for you guys. It's right here, real quick. I did bring a smaller rod this time. So what the white bass will do is they'll stay in the current, they'll push into the calm eddy. Go. There you go. Yeah, little guy. Just want to start off this intro right here. Here we go. So if you catch that off with that Jenko swim bait, crappie, right? And it's a small guy. Did you want him?
No.
No? Okay, it's too small, so we're gonna toss him. There you go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put you guys on a GoPro. If the bite picks up, I'll turn on the DSLR again. But right now we're just trying to figure out like that trigger bite and see what works. So stay tuned. So guys, bobber fishing for white bass. Go ahead. Yeah, right there. Oh jeez. Gosh. See what I mean? Nah, I'll be good. I've gone through here before, so it's not that deep. Like you just be able to stand up, but it'll be cold. Dang, I missed it. Well, that was too early. Oh, there you go, got him. You saw that? Yeah. Oh, nice, dude. Look at him go. Dang. Let's go. That's a nice white bass. Yeah. Yep. Right there. You see what I mean? He's right by the current. Yeah. That is so cool. Alright. Just right by the current, they'll come in and out. Holy smoke, just that bobber went down fast. Oh, gets me. Take that off. I'll just do this for now and then we catch more, we'll throw it on the string here. Huh? It's only 6 pounds too, it's weak. I'm gonna give you the chartreuse color, okay? 6 pound test, that way you don't need a pinch sinker.
Right, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's pretty light. And
Yep, it's
jig
very
will do
light.
the work already.
Yep, jig will do the work. Visibility. Put on the brace so it doesn't rip your...
Okay.
So you put it on there, right?
Off, yeah.
On there, wrap it. You see how I wrapped it? That way it has a little grip. Jeez.
CPR.
That means you put them in the water. Don't be afraid to set the hook pretty hard too, okay? You want to get it to like there. Geez, stop moving. Right
Thank
there.
you, sir. Thank you.
There you go. Just pop pop it over there where I caught that fish, and it should be good. Suck. I mean, that works too. But there's fine. Oh, look, it's down, it's down. Oh, you saw that? Look, it's gone. Minnow's gone. No. Ah, he was in there. Go ahead, go ahead. Dang. Alright guys, I'm gonna go for a little hunt here. Go to that biggin spot. Maybe they moved up. Who knows? Man, these are not ideal conditions to be fishing in, but we're doing it. Jeez, almost fell over. Dang. Crap, broke. You get the hang of it.
Yeah, a couple more casts. I mean, I already did, bro. That cast right there, I don't know what happened.
It's just one of those. Yeah, you get the hang of it and you'll know what to do. Oh, it's in. That's a nice one. You see that? Oh, that's a big fish. What is that?
Oh no, it's pretty big.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Dude,
That's big.
what the heck is this? It's a giant white bass.
That's big. That's
Whoa. Oh, it's a pike. It's a muskie. Muskie or a pike.
Dude, that was big.
No wonder I'm like, why is it so big, bro?
You also lose the big ones, man.
Yeah, did you see that?
Yeah, I was like, what the fuck? That's not no.
No wonder the white bass shut up.
That makes sense, dude.
Oh,
Because it's a roundhead that.
that thing was, it was either a pike or a muskie. It was huge. Oh, jeez. Hey, you sure you don't want to put that 10-pound leader on again?
So you just switch.
Oh, I got one. Nice. They're over here. Oh, gosh. I guess we'll keep them. I got one, Ving. They're still here. I wasn't recording. That's a big one. Whoa! 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 I wasn't recording. Gosh, look at that.
Man, dude, that's a fat one.
Swim bait. They switched over. Like I said, they're still here. I don't know why they're so picky.
Alright.
Look at that big end. Sure.
But you want to switch over?
Exactly. Yeah, just all three light bait here. I think they'll eventually like key on it. My dad got 7. Nice. Ving got 0. Hey everybody, Ving got 0. Got one? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
No, just without taking this one home.
Yeah, take it home. Good luck. There you go. Okay, okay.
Don't like it.
Keep it. Store it in the bucket, bro. Maybe that's your good luck. Just keep it, man.
Just with that.
And if you don't want it, my dad will probably want it. We'll just eat it.
You know.
Yeah, that
Like,
shade.
they're like.
Got one. Yeah.
Just gotta keep talking, dude.
Yep.
Like they're like,
Bro, your fish is still alive in there.
Yeah, pretty much. My fish strong, dude.
They should not be able to China. I'm gonna take a little break and eat. I'm hungry. The bite is very slow. Ever since I lost that big fish there, that was it. You just disturbed the whole piece here. And one, I think it was a muskie. Two, could have been a pike. It was pretty big though. We both saw it. Saw the whole body and everything. Lengthy. It was at least what, 30, 40 inches?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty big. Pretty. I thought it was a small white. Like I thought it was a big white bass. So I didn't set my drag, you know, and it just broke off. So I'm just gonna watch him struggle.
Pretty good.
I hope you whack yourself in the face. There you go. Good job.
Yeah.
What's that? There's a little drop over there. There he goes. Bring it in. Yep. Don't reel too fast though, okay? Slow down a little bit so it gives it time. If they're there, they're gonna eat it. Got him? Ah! Oh, you got the stick! No! It ran into the stick.
Yeah.
Dang, I saw the fish.
Right, you saw it, right?
Oh, I saw it.
Garbage.
I saw the white bass.
Yeah, no.
Oh, yeah, you went right to the stick, dude.
I didn't see the stick down there, man.
No, I didn't see it either. Oh, dang, you. It was a white bass.
Yeah, no.
You're like, oh, I got something. It's like,
Yeah.
oh, I got one. That's a white bass. Oh, let's go. Yeah. I wasn't no bluegill. That wasn't no, yeah. No, I don't think so, dude. It's white bass. Fuck off, it's fine, dude. Yeah, it's fine. Dude, he smacked it right by the shoreline. Like I say, when you catch one, they spook out, you know, they come back. I cut my pinky.
Okay, how can you do that?
Well, white bass.
Oh,
Cut me pretty deep, dude. Yeah. They cut, bro, like wide open. It's like a knife cut. This spot's good, and if you have waders, you wade to the middle bridge, the middle aisle, and you fish over those two pillars. Between those two pillars, a huge drop. Yeah. Chow does real good with the walleyes there. Yeah? Yeah! Yeah, don't lose them! Bring it out, big! Swing them! Yeah! Little guy, but still. High sir, dude. Yeah, yeah. What'd I tell you? That's a nice fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. Haha, boom! Where your pair of boots at, bruh? Look, oh, she's fat too. Come over here.